Guys, Daniel here with a new video. Today video we're gonna talk about one of the most important thing about trading, which is trading plan. I just spent a couple minutes to prepare something for you. I'm just gonna read over it and just show you what you need to do in order to create your own trading plan. You can put whatever you want, whatever the type of setup you want, whatever the type of pattern you want to trade and everything. A good trading plan needs three parts. First, your laws, okay, what you need to be respected in order to enter a trade. Second, your routine. Your routine is okay, what you do before entering a trade. And third, your entry and exit. Like, okay, now you have your routine, you know what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, before entering, what I'm supposed to be doing and what you're not supposed to be doing. And exit is like when I want to exit the trade or not. I prepared that thing just a couple minutes. Oh, that's not it. I just prepared that thing. Yeah. But first of all, a good trading plan you need your trading law. A trading law will like the principle, the type of principle you need to enter and exit your trade. That's your trading law. You need 3 to 4 confirmation, in other words, confluence, which is you got market structure in your side, if engulfing pattern in your side, support and resistance level, EMA, SMA cross, and RSI overbought or oversold, ADX over 20, red or green. These are confirmations. And second, you need to check your market structure. Market structure is if the market is going down, if the market is making higher highs and higher lows, and if the market is making lower highs and higher lows. So you know you only buy uptrend, you only sell in downtrend, which is in a lower high. You only sell in a lower high in a downtrend. And then you need to check if you have a support and resistance and everything. And you need I haven't included that one, but you need to know okay, it's gonna be up to you. That's why I didn't put it in that one. Okay, am I gonna trade the news or not? Like I don't trade news. I don't consider anybody to trade news, so you're not supposed to be trading news. And then you need to check your EMA, SMA if they're cross, RSI overboard. If you have a candlestick pattern, engulfing or anything in like engulfing variation or whatever the hell they call them, and you have a trading goal for the day. It can be the pip amount, the pip count of money. You can say, okay, 20 pip for the day and I'm done. 20 pip a day, one lot, $200 a day. 20 pip a day, 50 cents a lot, that's $100 a day. You know, you make 20 pip a day, you're done. Or you can make a money count. You can say, okay, my daily goal is to make $300 a day. I don't like it doesn't matter how many pip you make, as long as you make $200 a day, you're done for the day. That's your daily day. And then your risk reward ratio. You need to know, okay, if I'm gonna risk this amount, I need to make this amount. Like and make sure you all like your risk management too. Make sure you know you can only risk 1 to 5% of your account per trade, which is if you have a $100 account and you wanna risk 1%, that means you can only risk $1 per trade. And if you have $1,000 account, you wanna risk 5%, it's like 50 bucks. It's like $50 a day. You know you're risking $50 a day to make 3 times $50. That's a 1 to 3 ratio. You know you risk like and you know to have your risk reward ratio, which is I'm gonna risk 1 to make 3 or 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. It's up to you. You risk 1 to make 3. You risk 1 to make 2. You risk 3 to make 5. You risk 2 to make 6. It's up to you. That's a 1 to 3 ratio. You risk $200 to make 600. That's a 1 to 3 ratio. Or you risk $100 to make 300, which is a 1 to 3 ratio still. Or you risk if you have a risk reward ratio of like 1 to 10 or 1 to 5, you risk $100 to make 500. 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 100 to 10 to 1,000, and so on. Then your routine. Your routine is basically you check everything up before you enter a trade. When you get to the market, you check your higher time frame for trend direction or where the trend is going. Is it downtrend or uptrend? You check your overall market structure. Is the market is making higher highs and higher lows? Is the market is making lower highs and lower lows? Then You check what training session you're in. This is just check your time zone. From 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. is New York session. From 3 a.m. to 12, it's London session. And from 6 in the afternoon to 2 a.m. is Sydney session. I didn't include the Japanese session because it's like almost the same as Sydney session because it's from 7 to 3 in the morning when the London session starts. So you check what session you're in. And fourth, you need to check what's new, upcoming news is coming. Because there is like the high risk news you're not supposed to be trading and everything. If you have like a three bullhead, you have like NFP, you have Yellen speaking. These are the type of news you're not supposed to be in the market at that time. Because like me personally, I don't trade NFP. But if I were in a trade before then, I might like put my stop loss in profit and be like, okay, I don't care. Because I already made my money for the day. As long as I put my stop loss in profit, that's my money for the day. Anything else is extra. I can wait for the news. I don't care. Whatever the news happen to the news, I will still make my profit for the day. That's why I say don't trade news. And third part of your trading plan should be your entry and exit rule. Entry, like I said in the first, like your large, you need to have multiple confirmation, engulfing, market structure, RSI, ADX, overbought, oversold, and you need to only trade higher time frame. It can be 1 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour. It can be daily chart, but just make sure you know that those time frame require more time than lower time frame. So if you're trading 1 hour, every single candle will take 1 hour to form. If you're trading 4 hour, every single candle will take 4 hours to form. So this trading, trading 4 hour setup will take you longer than a 1 hour setup, and so on. And then you break your higher time frame setup to 30 minutes or lower. So in order to enter a trade, you need to break down everything. From if you find an engulfing in H1, you go down to 30 minutes. You go down to 15 minutes to see if you got confluence and you got more confirmation in order to enter that trade. And then you take profit out of the designated amount of money or pip. Like I said, it can be 20, it can be 30, it can be 20 pip, 30 pip, 50 pip. It's up to you. At the same time, it can be 100, 200, 300, 1,000, $5,000 a day or a week. It's depending on your trade level or your higher time, like the time frame this trade is based on. And it's depending up to you if you want to take profit now or you want to let the trade ride to make more money, or because you already have a set goal, you take profit goal, and make sure you take profit based on like Fibonacci levels. This is not, if you already have a designated amount of pip or money that you want to take profit of, this is not that important. You can just use this. If you don't really have a designated pip or amount of money, you just use your fee and you be like, at 38.2 I will take profit. If you enter at 38.2, the next level is minus 27. So say from 38.2 to minus 27, that's where my take profit will be. Or minus 61.8, that's where your take profit will be. You have a set stop loss. You need to know, just like for the risk reward ratio, you need to know, okay, I'm willing to risk this amount, so that's where I'm supposed to put my stop loss. I'm willing to risk this amount, that's where I'm supposed to put my stop loss and everything. And you need to start learning how to protect your profit. Let's say you're in a trade, you're in $300 profit. Move your stop loss break even to 150. If the market went back down, you would make 150 for the day. 150 for the day, not everybody make 150 for the day. And then if you want to move your stop loss to 200, move your stop loss to 200 and let the trade ride. That's being greedy, but even though you're greedy, you're trying to make more money, but you already reached your goal for the day. My goal is 200, I'm at 300, I put my stop loss at 200, and I just let it ride. So I can try to make 500 that time. But if you're not greedy, you don't want to move your stop loss and profit to break even and anything else, you can just take your $300 and take profit. That's it. And so that's it, guys. That's your trading plan. That's all you should put in your trading plan and everything. So I'll catch you in the next one, and I will make sure you can download the same template and create your own trading plan, put your own rule, or you can just look at this one as a roadmap to make your own trading plan. That's why I didn't include like no money count, what type of session we're in, and anything. I only just put it raw. Just anybody can create their own trading plan based off this model.